Thinking about selling your home? Be cautious not to fall into these common pricing pitfalls that can cost you time and money. Number 1. Guessing versus researching. Avoid setting your price based on the neighbor's listing. Use comparative market analysis for a realistic asking price. Number 2. Hiring by highest price. Don't choose a realtor just because they suggest a higher price. Look for real numbers and solid marketing plans. Number 3. Subjective pricing. Keep emotions out of pricing. Focus on objective data from the CMA and maintain a business attitude. Number 4. First day high price blues. Correcting pricing from the start is crucial. Overpricing can turn away potential buyers in the first critical 10 days. Number 5. Unrushed high pricing. Avoid testing the market with a high initial price. Buyers actively look for new listings, not ones that linger. Number 6. Price dropping. Competitively priced from the beginning. Regularly evaluate local market with your real estate agent. Other sellers' mistakes to avoid: selling before qualifying, wasting time on unqualified buyers, hovering during showings, waiting it out, rejecting the first quick bid, and lastly, becoming friends with the buyer. If you guys like today's video, please like, share and follow.